Namaste. This is the class of physics, pharmaceutical analysis, and today's topic is the type of error. So we have studied some main is two categories: systemic error and random error. Now we will study the other types of error. The static error of a measuring instrument is the numerical difference between the true value of a quantity and its value as obtained by the measurement. This causes the repeated measurement of the same quantity to give different indication, and thus precision is an important characteristic in the electronic instrument. Following are the three main type of static errors. First is gross error. These errors are mainly due to human mistake in reading or in using instrument or error in recording. So a gross error is the human error which the student usually do when they are using the instrument or they don't know how to record or observe the value. Error may occur also due to incorrect adjustment of instrument and computational mistake. One of the basic gross error that occur frequently in the proper use of an instrument. First, next is the systemic error. These errors are due to shortcoming of the instrument, such as defective or worn part, aging or effective of the environment on the instrument. There are basically three types of systemic error, namely instrument, environmental and observational. So systemic error is due to the defective part, or we can say the instrumental error. There are three. First is the instrumental. They are inherent in the measuring instrumental because of their mechanical structure. So sometime if the spring get looses or some other instrument get faulty, then we get the instrumental error. Next is the environmental error, that is due to the conditional external conditional which the measuring device it can be affected, like temperature, humidity, barometer pressure, or magnetic and electrostatic field, due to which the instrument become faulty. Next is the observational. This there are introduced by the observation. The most common error in the plexer error, when the pointer fluctuate between different readings. Sometimes we can see the in the instrument the pointer fluctuate in different reading, and the reading is taken, and we take the fluctuated reading from the meter. In general, these are also subdivided into two: static and dynamic error. So observational error is also static error and dynamic error. Next is the random error. There are errors that remain after gross and systemic error have sustainably done reduced or at least accounted for. There are generally an accumulation of a large number of small effects and may be of real concern only in the measurement, requiring high degree of accuracy. They are due to unknown cause, not determinable in the ordinary process of making measurement. So random error, there are so after the gross and systemic error, they can be reduced or account. But in random errors, the method of minimization is: first, see, gross error can be completely eliminated by minimized by taking proper care of the reading, recording parameter, and one should know how to completely depend upon a single reading. Next is the instrumental. Systemic error can be avoided by selecting a suitable measurement for a particular instrument application, applying correction factor after determining the amount of instrumental error, calibrating the instrument against a standard. Then environmental systemic error can be avoided by the air condition and hermetical sealing and other instrumental by using magnetic shed. Next is the observational systemic error can be avoided by concentration on a particular measurement and clear out the area where the instrument is placed and properly maintain the instrument. Next is the random error can be treated mathematically using law of probability. The idea to be repeat the measurement to gain the higher precision. So random error can be minimized by gaining the higher precision. So hope you will like this video. Here we have completed this topic of error and how we can minimize different type of error. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.